This is an awning, 40 inch by 40 inch. Check online for your size and your color you are looking for. We're going to be using the box as a template. We're going to show you the parts that come with the box. You're going to need a hammer drill, a bit, a Phillips screwdriver, and a tape measure. The assembly comes with the parts and the instructions on how to install. This is a two-piece kit, a two-piece bracket. It measures about 9.5 inches, and these are where the holes with the bolts going through. This is known as the H-bar. It slides between the two PC boards. This is the front bar. The boards slide in here, screws in here. This is the back bar. Screws in here. This is the back. This is towards the front. The PC board that is protected with film that you're going to peel off before you install. Screw set, screws, sharp screws, and caps. For me, I need to do a pre-assembly to take my measurements. I take one of the brackets, the back bar with the L cut, I slide it into the unit carefully, and the front bar the same into the front area. I grab the other side of the bracket, I face it the correct way, and I place on to the front and the back. I tap down on each of the ends. With a Phillips screwdriver and the long screws, we are going to lock each of the ends in. You may use an electric screw, battery operated screw gun, and carefully screw in. Flip over to the other side. And repeat for the other two screws. The awning is lightweight, so that you can simply now hang it up, make your marking, and start to drill your holes. So we're going to take the measurements over here. You have your set screws that are going to go in, so please make sure you drill deep enough. With the H-bar and the other one, we're going to put this together the best we can, sliding through. Make sure you have enough on each side. Do your best to either slide through or take back apart and place on. On the bottom, you're going to press in and slide in. Grab the top piece and finish off. And go hang up the awning. The final step is to put into the actual anchors. And lock down. Place the caps on. Now that we have our awning all hooked up, protection extreme weather like rain, snow, sleet, and hail. You now could be underneath your awning and be protected against rain, snow, and all types of weather, even the sun beating down on you. I hope you enjoyed this build of the awning, how easy it is to assemble and install by yourself. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.